Alright, welcome to the Jerry Rigger channel. In this video, I'm going to take a look at my Mr. Christmas Lights and Sounds of Christmas and what I had to do to repair it. If this video helps you out, please help me out by liking and subscribing. And let's get the intro so we can get started. Alright, so I had to repair this. This is a Mr. Christmas Lights and Sounds of Christmas. It wasn't coming on. And actually, before it stopped coming on completely, I had some times where, I had these all set on light timers. Sometimes it would come on or it wouldn't come on when the lights came on. I'd have to go out and flip the switch back and forth to get it to come on. Red light was on, but nothing else. And it was like that for a little while, and then it just stopped working altogether. So I had two issues. One, well, the main issue, I guess you would say, is water had gotten inside here at some point. And there's a circuit board that runs along the back side here, and it had puddled, I think, and done some damage to the bottom of that circuit board. Probably put a plastic bag over this from now on. I did have to repair a resistor in there, which you can see in the picture. And as you can see here, there's the resistor that I repaired. Kind of an ugly repair. I just took a piece of wire off another component and soldered it on there to make it work. Ugly, but it worked. But there's a jack right here. Right next to the fuse, there's a jack. That jack, I think, is probably for a foot switch. So you can go, at the store, you can click on it, just light it up and see it, because they don't probably want it just sitting there playing all the time. But the foot switch got corroded, and it wasn't making contact. With it unplugged, I was able to just stick a nail up in there and move it around a little bit and pull it back out, and then it started working. So I wanted to let everybody know, especially about this, if that foot switch jack gets corroded, you might be able to just, easy quick fix, go in there with it unplugged and put something up in there to move it around, try and get that the contacts inside that foot switch pedal jack to make contact and make it start working again. Alright, so this is what the jack socket looks like on the circuit board. You don't want to stick that nail in there too far, because you will hit those components behind it, and they got capacitors and stuff back there. So just be careful. Thanks for watching the Jerry Rigger channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.